Hi friends, what's up? This is Ravnesh Kumar and I am welcoming you all in my new channel Tech Globe. Today I am going to show you how to hack Subway Surfer without root, without any types of, without using any PC. You can hack using your mobile. By the way, what we have to do? We have to do only download the APK called Lucky Patcher, and after downloading you have to follow certain steps, and after that you have successfully hacked Subway Surfer. So guys, let's start. Okay guys, so what you have to do, firstly you have to download the Subway Surfer app from the Google Play Store, and after downloading you have to download the Lucky Patcher app from the description given below. And okay, after downloading both these apps, what you have to do, you have to first open the Lucky Patcher app. Okay, Lucky Patcher app, and search for the Subway Surfer. Here from the top the Subway Surfer is given. You have to click on the menu of the patches, and then click on create modified APK file, and from the top third here the options comes APK rebuild for in-app and LVL elimination. You have to click there. Okay, click on the rebuild the app. Wait for the some moments, it will take us a few 3 to 4 minutes to. So yeah guys, the APK file has been created. You have to click go to the file, and here the Subway Surfer crack.support APK. So what you have to do, you have to uninstall the Subway Surfer app. Click here to remove. Okay, sorry, you have to uninstall the Subway Surfer app original version. Uninstall. I have uninstalled it. After that, what you have to do, you have to install the Subway Surfer crack version. Click here and install. Yes. Click here to install. So guys, you can see the Subway Surfer app has been successfully installed. You have to click on the open button. So here is the some tutorial when you install the app new. Okay, follow this tutorial, and after that you are able to generate so many coin as well as key. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to follow the certain steps, and after that you are able to generate so many coins. So you have to click on the shop. and after clicking the shop you have to click on the store. Okay, and here the variety of options comes of the different rate of the coin as well as the key. So if you want 650 keys you have to pay 0.711 but I am giving you absolutely free. What you have to simply click on them and see your coin has become 655, once again 1305, once again 1955, once again 2605. So you can see you can generate as many coins, as many key as possible. Same rule is valid for the coin. See, so in this way you can generate as many as coin as well as key, and you can unlock the various options such as this one. Okay, you can do whatever you want, you can unlock all this. So you can see I am unlocking all these items, and you can play it very well. So guys, if you like these videos then please subscribe to us and please like these videos. And if you also want to know how to hack temper into and other limbo game, then you can see in my video I have already uploaded it. So thanks for the watching, goodbye and have a nice day.